They need someone to make
You'd like to set an appointment with me? I'd be happy to set one, but we're not accepting protests.
So then you should take down the sign that says, please come in.
We're asking the congressman to participate in opening the government. That's not, I mean, it's really sad if asking the congressman to open the government is considered a protest.
I understand.
What you're saying is that we need to make an appointment to even have that conversation.
As mentioned, I've met with most of you and all of you, and we're happy to set that up, but we're not accepting.
For another day, you mean?
Especially with so many people up here right now. We can't.
An appointment for when? Another day or today?
Another day, yes.
Another day when the congressman will be here on recess, possibly?
Well, there won't be any recesses for a while.
Yes. And there probably won't be any recesses for a while because of the government shutdown, right?
There are many reasons, but that is the lapse of probation is one of the reasons.
I know, this all sounds, you know how this is going to look in the media, that I understand you're feeling pressured. I mean, I would feel pressured if I was in your position, and I know it's a tough position.
We have a building codes that we have to abide by.
You're sounding amazing.
We've had many of you guys in our office multiple times. This is not, we're not
On different issues.
Right.
Different issues, sorry.
If there are any petitions, we'd be happy to accept them. But at this time, we're not accepting appointments for today.
Okay.
So we're ready to schedule it. It's just not appointments for today.
Okay, so you would prefer that we go ahead and just schedule through
Absolutely.
email
I have
or just...
my card right here. As you guys know, I am a Congressman's district scheduler, and so if anybody would like my card, I'd be happy to give that to them first.
So Ken, do you have any statement on the congressman's position today on the apparent collapse of talks that were going on with Senator Reid and Minority Leader McConnell? You know, the Senate leadership appeared to have a deal that they thought would be acceptable in the House, and Boehner's apparently rejected it. Does the Congressman Heck have any statement that you could give to us?
Well, the Congress is supposed to shut down multiple times,
Today's a new day. It's not just a shutdown anymore. We're right up against the default that's actually looking serious and damage. I mean, the shutdown's damaged the economy considerably in southern Nevada, but the default is going to have international repercussions. You know, from my understanding, everything I've read. So, does he have a statement today, because things are getting very, very
A recent statement as far as of today.
I would go ahead and email me that, and I can get your response on that
I
directly.
can't, just kind of, bottom line here.
Is this being recorded, by the way?